Good day everyone! Today we will learn how to install Windows Server 2008 R2. This video is part of the Computer System Servicing Competencies in Setting Up Computer Server tutorial series. First, boot your bootable device with Windows Server 2008 R2 installer. The Windows will now start loading the files. In this part, choose only the default settings. Set English as the language to install. Set English United States as the time and currency format, and US as keyboard or input method, then click the Next button. Start the installation process by clicking Install Now. After that, select the operating system you want to install. Choose Windows Server 2008 R2, Standard Full Installation, 64-bit, and then click Next. In this part, tick the checkbox to accept the license terms and click Next. Then, select Custom Advanced as the installation type to install a new copy of Windows. Next is choosing where to install the Windows. In this part, you have to partition your storage into your desired size. Click Drive Options Advanced, and then click New to partition the disk. In this video, I divided the disk into half. To solve the size of the partition, just simply divide the whole size in megabytes to 50%. Input the value and click Apply. A dialog box will appear saying the Windows might create additional partitions for system files. Just click OK. Next, click the remaining unallocated space and partition it again by clicking New. The size in megabytes shown is the remaining half from the first partition. Just click Apply. Then, format the partition and click OK. After that, make sure you have selected the first primary partition or the partition 2. Since you cannot select the partition 1 because it is system reserved. Then click Next. It will now start installing Windows. Your computer will restart several times during the installation process. Once the setup is done, it will ask for a password. The user's password must be changed before logging on the first time. Just click OK. Then, input your new password and type again the new password to confirm. Make sure to use a strong password. I suggest that you use a password with alphanumeric characters and accepted symbols. Then, click the right arrow button to continue. It will say your password has been changed. Click OK to completely finish the installation process. That's it! You have now successfully installed Windows Server 2008 R2.
Thank you for watching!